Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eric and I'm studying at Selexas Capozalco. I'm currently in intermediate level 1 to 2. Today I want to share something very special with you. A family tradition that means a lot to me, Rosca de Reyes. This is not just a dessert, it is a symbol of love, culture, and family unity. Every year, on January 16, my family celebrates Three Kings Day. On this day, we gather together to share the Rosca de Reyes and spend time as a family. In many places, people buy the rosca at supermarkets. However, in my family, we prefer to make it at home. This makes the tradition even more meaningful. My grandmother learned how to bake in 2013 after taking baking class. Since then, she has taught us how to prepare it, and we have been making it together every year. This activity has helped us strengthen our bond and create beautiful memories. Now, let me tell you about the ingredients we use. 11 grams of fresh yeast, 500 grams of flour, 3/4 cup of sugar, 3 eggs, 2 tablespoons of orange zest, 1/2 cup of milk, a pinch of salt, and 135 grams of butter. These simple ingredients come together to create something truly delicious. First, we mix the lukewarm milk with the yeast and let it rest only bubbles form. This step activates the yeast. Then, we combine the flour, sugar, salt, eggs, butter, milk, and orange zest. After that, we add the yeast mixture and knead the dough until it becomes soft and elastic. Next, we let the dough rise. Once it has doubled in size, we shape into right and place it on baking sheet. After that, we brush it with egg wash, decorate it with sweet dough streaks and candied fruit, and curry fuel. Place small figurines on side. Finally, we sprinkle sugar on top and bake in 118 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. When it's ready, we serve a gram with a cup of hot chocolate. In conclusion, Rosca de Reyes is much more than a dessert in my family. It presents our traditions, our history, and the love we share every year. Making it together reminds us that the most important ingredient is not flour or sugar. It is a family. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you